Welcome as we solve such an amazing maths problem. We have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals to 72. So do you know how to work it out? So let's now start with the solution. So the first thing that we need to do is to factorize this maths problem, where now we shall now have it as 3 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 72. So the next part is to work out the number that is inside the bracket. That is 3 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 72. So divide both sides by 2, here also by 2, so that now 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now shall remain with 3 to the power of x is equals to 2, here once 2 into 72 is 36. So we shall now have 3 to the power of x is equals to 36. So in order to work it out very fast, let's now introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 3 to the power of x is equals to the log of 36. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of k to the power of m, according to the law of exponential equation, we shall now have it as m, the log of k. So meaning that the log of 3 to the power of x, we shall now write it as x, the log of 3, which is equals to the log of 36. So now for us to remain with the value for x, divide both sides by the log of 3, then also divide here by the log of 3. So that now we shall now have to cancel the log of 3 together. So that means that log 3 and log 3 now shall cancel, so that now the value for x shall be equals to the log of 36, then all over the log of 3. So we can work out this by saying that the value for x is equals to, the log of 36 can be written as the log of, so 36 can be written as 9 multiplied by 4. So we shall now have the log of 9 multiplied by 4, then into bracket all over the log of 3. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of kp, meaning that k multiplied by p, we shall still have this one as the log of k, then plus the log of p. So that is to mean that the log of 9 multiplied by 4, we shall now say that the value for x can be written as the log of 9, then plus the log of 4 all over the log of 3. So from here now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 3. So the value for x is equals to the log of 9, which can be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2, then divide by the denominator that is the log of 3, plus the log of 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then divide by the log of 3. So here, next step now, the value for x is equals to, so the log of 3 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 3, then all over the log of 3, then plus, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 2, then all over the log of 3. The next we shall now have, so the next part we shall say that the value for x is equals to log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, so now shall have 2 plus, so 2 the log of 2 all over the log of 3. So assuming that we have the log of k to the base of p, this one can also be written as the log of k all over the log of p. So in this case, now we shall now say that our final answer for the value for x is equals to 2 plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 3. So this one now qualifies to be the most correct maths problem. So I hope you got this one as the correct answer. So if you really loved how we worked it up to this point, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's now confirm the answer that we got. So our maths problem was 3 to the power of x, then also plus 3 to the power of x is equals to 72. So where this x, we write the correct answer. So we shall now have 3 to the power of 2, then plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 3, then also plus 3 again to the power of 2 plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 3, which is equals to 72. So next we shall now say that in this case we shall have this one as now 3 to the power of 2, then the plus changes to multiplication, then also 3 to the power of, so in this case now we shall now have it as the log of 2 to the power of 2, that is 4. So the log of 4 to the base of 3, then plus 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of the log of 4 to the base of 3, which is equals to 72. So 3 to the power of 2, that is 9. So now shall have 9 multiplied by the log to the base of 3, cancel these 3. So 4, then plus 3 to the power of 2 is 9, multiplied by the log to the base of 3, cancel these 3. So now shall have 4 is equals to 72. So 9 multiplied by 4, that is 36, plus 36 is equals to 72. And 36 plus 36 is 72 is equals to 72. So it means that our final answer is very correct. When we agree and say that the correct value for x is equals to, so 2 plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 3. So this one is now the correct answer on its simplest form. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.